Hi guys, today I'm just going to show you how to work with the joystick. So I have my joystick here, and I'll just show you the basic connections, and we'll just read the values like the movement of the x-axis and y-axis. So in this joystick, my x-axis is going to be like up and down. Sorry, this is the y-axis, up and down, and the x-axis is left and right. So I'll just show the connections, and we can just use these joystick for now to just read the values. Later I'll show you different applications where it can be used. I mean, we have seen like our remote control cars, or PlayStation joysticks. We have these. So how it works and how it like connects to the system, we will see in later videos. For now, let's just see the working of. So I have my Arduino board set up. So as you can see here, I have 5 connections to be made. One is ground, 5 volts. My S pin, I'm gonna call this as S pin, which is my state. I'm gonna declare it as state. So that is to declare as on or off. That is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 will be indicated when I press this joystick down. So when I press it down, it's gonna show me 1, and when I leave it, it's gonna be in 0. And the other 2 pins are x-axis and y-axis pins. So let's just do the connections. So first I'll connect it for the ground, and then 5 volts. And my S pin to digital pin 2, and x-axis pin to A0, and y-axis pin to A1. So this is my connection, and I'll just connect it to the laptop, and I'll show you the coding for it. So over here we can see that I've declared X pin, Y pin, and S pin, which is A0, A1 and 2. I showed in the connection. So these two, A0 and A1, is for X axis and Y axis, and S pin is the like switch state pin, which is at digital 2. And we are going to read the x-axis value, y-axis value, and the state, that is the switch state, whether it's on or off. So going down the code, we have the serial monitor that is going to give us the input, and we're doing an analog read for the x-axis and y-axis, and a digital read for the signal state, so switch state. And we are just this is a just basic code to just know what value the joystick works on. So it basically ranges from 0 to 1023 on both the axes. Let's just upload the code and see the readings. Okay, so the compiling is done and it's uploading. Okay, so let's just open the serial monitor to read the values. So currently it says that my x-axis value is 502 and y-axis value is 515, and my switch state is 0. So let's just change. So when I go on top, my y value is 0. So I think this is the y-axis. So y goes to 0 and x remains the same, and my switch state is 0. And down, my y goes to the maximum value, that is 1023, and my x remains same, and the switch state remains same. And when I go right, the x value goes to maximum, that is 1023, and y remains at 515, that is the initial value, and switch state is 0. And towards the left we have x is equal to 0, y is equal to 515, and switch state is 0. So we can just diagonally also move this where both come to 0, or like 1 goes to 1023 and 1 is 0, and diagonal values also. So all this while the switch state is 0, so I'll just press it for once, and we can see that the switch state changes to 1, and we can also move the joystick when the switch state is also 1. So we can just tinker with this as much as we can. Here we can just change the values. Yeah, so that is the purpose of this video and this project. I hope you liked it. Just like, share, subscribe, and continue to do your own projects also, like just research on your own and just try out different things. Thank you.